Animation over the years has come a pretty long way. What usually used to require a team of skilled animators painstakingly drawing or keyframing every movement can now be accomplished with a much smaller team or even a single creator, especially when it comes to 3D character animation. And this is thanks to advancement in real-time technology, the accessibility of high-quality animation tools for both rendering, motion capture, procedural animation, and also AI-assisted rigging tools, character creation, VFX, and so on, has made character animation more achievable than ever, especially for indie artists and filmmakers. And today we're going to take a look at some real-time character creation tools and some other accompanying tools that you can use in terms of creating real-time character animations. Typically, 3D character-based animation definitely starts with a character, and the folks at Epic Games with the digital human tools, which is called MetaHuman, now allows creators to generate photorealistic or semi-stylistic characters which can be brought into various DCC apps and rendered in Unreal Engine without the need of complex sculpting, texturing, or rigging. And this offers varying options which to a large extent trumps traditional character creation process, allowing artists to focus on the art of creation rather than dealing with the technicalities as traditionally required. MetaHuman solidifies the idea that realistic-looking 3D characters with features grounded in the real world can be easily accessible to animators and filmmakers, as this provides all you can think of in terms of rapid and realistic 3D character creation for use in Unreal Engine. While MetaHuman is great for Unreal-based projects, Revolution Character Creator and iClone offers a more flexible approach for character animation, especially for those working with different game engines, films, or 3D projects. As Character Creator 4 supports stylistic and realistic characters, making it a good fit for projects that don't require ultra realism. Character Creator provides a comprehensive character creation system, which ranges from body types all the way to detailed facial features, down to clothing and hair. And one of its most standout features is its integration with a ton of tools, from Revolution's iClone all the way to ZBrush, Substance Designer, and this brings about a robust real-time character creation tool with a ton of customization, tool sets, and also integration. And at the same time, you can also preview animations directly onto the characters you've just designed, as this supports various animation and motion capture profiles natively. And similar to Revolution's Character Creator is Dash Studio, and this is a popular 3D character creation tool that is known for its ease of use and extensive library of ready-to-use assets. This allows for detailed customization of human character, mostly very realistic ones, and you can simply tweak almost every aspect of this, from the physical trait of the character all the way to skin, hair, and also clothing. Dash Studio is particularly favored in creating photorealistic characters with no strings attached to any DCC app of choice. So this means you can create a photorealistic character right inside of Dash and export this character for animation, filmmaking, or even games. And Dash is currently available with tons of libraries just like you have with Character Creator and so on. A now discontinued Adobe Fuse is a free and user-friendly 3D character creation tool. Previously owned by Mixamo, this tool allows for flexible character creation. And unlike other character tools, this tool offers variety of pre-built templates for the character you're about to build. And this includes character building from the head, torso, foot, arm, and also clothing, with a couple of customization features for both the body shape, facial features, and texturing as well. And prior to the discontinuation of Adobe Fuse, you can actually go in and with a soft brush, you can edit various parts of your character however you want. And this was one feature that was lacking with the native version of Mixamo Fuse. However, Mixamo Fuse offers more variety in terms of pre-built templates. Adobe Fuse is no longer available, but you can rely on Steam to take a look at Mixamo Fuse and use it. And because Mixamo currently has a cloud-based system, you can send up your characters to Adobe Mixamo's cloud and rig it totally for free. And this all ties up to the character system that exists for Fuse. Poser is a well-established 3D character creation tool and animation software, popularly among illustrators and animation artists for over 2 decades. This tool provides an extensive library of pre-made characters, outfits, poses, and also props, allowing users to quickly bring characters to life without needing to create everything from scratch. And due to the fact that the user interface is pretty dated, the learning curve for this tool is pretty steep, especially for newcomers. And while it excels at character posing and also animation, its character modeling and fine-tuning capabilities are less flexible compared to other tools that we've just mentioned. And despite these limitations, Poser remains a solid tool for those who are focused on posing for animation and also poses for character illustration. And we can talk about character creation without talking about Make Human, which is an open source 3D character creation software designed to offer an accessible and customizable way to generate human models. This provides a variety of customization options for adjusting various body proportions, including facial features and other details, allowing users to create highly personalized characters however they want. Originally, these two existed as a standalone software which had a good user interface, making it a great choice for beginners who would like to dive into character creation without the need for advanced 3D modeling skills. However, this has actually upgraded over time and had a couple of updates here and there, and this now exists as an extension tool that you can work with directly in Blender. And this offers a couple of additional features that deals with automatic rigging of the character, some clothing, and some other improvements overall. And while we're still on the topic of real-time character creation tools that exist for Blender, Human Generator is another amazing tool that you can get your hands on. The Human Generator is a Blender add-on that streamlines the process of creating realistic human characters within Blender. This offers a ton of features from different character types that you're working with, and you can easily create appealing looking characters out of the box with varieties of clothes, hair, and other texture options that are currently available. Creating characters right inside of Blender has never been easier. The both add-ons currently support Rigify, which is also a free add-on for rigging characters right inside of Blender, and both the Human Generator and the Make Human tool allows artists to make amazing looking characters. Human Generator is specific for high quality human characters, while Make Human allows you to create characters, and also with the growing asset base, this also allows you to create stylistic characters depending on the amount of assets you have access to. And similar to MetaHuman, Rebloom is a character creation software that is developed by the folks at Replica. Initially designed for internal use, this tool has evolved into a public tool that offers similar features just like Unreal Engine MetaHuman. This also offers a couple of customization features for the models that you're working with, and you can create stylistic human-like characters. And unlike MetaHuman, Rebloom operates entirely on your PC rather than relying on the internet to get this working. Another interesting thing with Rebloom is you do have this option of actually using prompts to guide your character creation process. Now, of course, you can literally create these characters from scratch with tons of features that you can tweak here and there. However, you can also start the character creation process by using a prompt to generate your initial character model. Vroid Studio is an amazing 3D character creator which enables artists to design anime-styled avatars with ease. This offers a range of customization options, allowing for detailed adjustment of facial features, hairstyles, and outfits. All of these are done through sliders, and the software provides real-time editing, which facilitates the smooth design process. And just like most of the tools that I've talked about, models that were made in Vroid can be exported to other DCC tools. Vroid Studio is a powerful tool for anime character creation, and if you're into animes and you're thinking about creating your very own 3D anime character, Vroid has a lot in stock. A great character model is just the first step to bringing your characters to life. And to drive or animate any of these characters, whether you're making them in MetaHuman or Character Creator, this can be done easily with motion capture tools, as they've actually changed how animators and also filmmakers create animation or animated characters. And currently, having a proper motion capture suit can cost quite a lot. And that is where the indie bundle suit from the folks at Rococo comes in super handy, as this fulfills all of the required motion checkmarks that you might be needing if you would like to bring performance to your characters, as it offers a full body suit, gloves for hand and finger tracking, and of course the head cam for facial capture. And for full body animation, all the 3D character tools that I've just mentioned, except Fuse, comes fully rigged, so you can pick up which fits your pipeline and animate or simply retarget your motion capture data to them. Unlike traditional optical motion capture setup, which would require expensive equipment and also a controlled environment and so on, the Rococo suit allows creators to record motions and create motions anywhere. So you can definitely set up anywhere and hit the record button and start making motions however you choose. More so, Rococo streams to Unreal Engine, Blender, iClone, Maya, Motion Builder, Houdini, Unity, bringing real-time performance capture and live streaming to your DCC apps. This is currently going for 40% off, and it offers a wide range of possibilities for creators looking for a full, accessible, and easy to use real-time performance capture solution. And for those who like to get an additional 5% off, you can simply use the discount code RKK_askNK during checkout and get an additional 5% on top of the 40% that is currently offered on the indie bundle. And as an added bonus for real-time character creation and animations, let's chip a bit into real-time simulation and rendering. And for clothes simulation, we already know that there's a couple of cool tools that can allow you to create clothes and simulate them in real time. And these tools include Clo, which is a fashion design tool that allows designers to create virtual true-to-life garment visualization, and this offers real-time simulation of fabrics, fit, and also silhouettes, enabling rapid iteration and refinement of designs. And the same thing can also be said for Genie and Marvelous Designer, which are developed by the folks at Clo. Genie is a very simple to use tool which just allows you to use pre-designed templates to create garments quickly and easily. However, for Marvelous Designer, this is specifically made for those who are into animation, gaming, and also fashion. And we've also got Style 3D, which is also another beautiful tool for creating cloth designs and also simulation. There's a couple of other ones that includes the V-Stitcher and also the Tello Nova. All of these tools allow you to create interesting garments for your characters quickly and easily. And of course, tools like Unreal Engine, Unity, and also Blender also have some very interesting plugins and tools that can also allow you to create clothes in real time. For VFX, the folks at Yanga Effects have created these amazing tools that we've talked about before called Embergen. Embergen is an amazing tool that you can use to start creating real-time smoke and fire simulation. At the same time, there's also the LiquidGen, which is used for water and also fluid simulation. So you cannot go wrong with these two real-time simulation tools, which are currently available for indie and also professional artists to work with. You can capture a motion from Rococo, bake that into a character, or even capture that in real time, bring that into Embergen or LiquidGen, and start creating real-time simulations without the hassle of baking or even waiting for unnecessary processing time. And all of this can be brought into Blender, Unreal Engine, Unity, Omniverse, or even Marmoset. And these tools can serve as final destinations for your characters, animation, and VFX, as they are incredible for real-time final picture preview, look dev, and rendering, cutting out the guesswork that comes with color, lighting, and overall final picture look and feel. These tools offer layout, final editing, and animation fine-tuning tools that you can work with. More so, they are fast and efficient when it comes to real-time rendering. And for those who like to see a more detailed video about most of these tools that we've just talked about, I'm going to link them in the description alongside the 5% coupon code for the askNK audience. So this is it, cool stuff for now here. And for those who are thinking about getting started with motion capture, you like to get started with any of the things that we've talked about, links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check them out. And currently we're planning a series of videos that will show you how you can live stream from Rococo to some of the DCC apps that we've just mentioned. And for those who like to see that, they might want to stay subscribed and turn on the notification bell for that. So this is it. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.